This is Short Hammer. It's the 26th of April 2019, and we're looking at the ticker STZ. I've been asked a few questions about how do I get these zones, and usually I'm doing my research on these different tickers and just drawing my zones going back 3, 5, 10, 15 years, however far back I need to go to get my levels. And as you'll see, you go a little further back, there's a few supply demand areas here at this 213, 48 by 214, 48. You go back, you'll see some congestion. Keep scrolling back and you'll see congestion, a lot of interactions. These candles may look weird to you. These are Heikin-Ashi candles, and it's just numerous interactions at this point that I like, of waves beginning and ending here, that I like, which is how I draw my levels. So let's go to the intraday today to see what we're looking at for tomorrow. So today STZ broke above yesterday's intraday highs, and just with quite a bit of force, and it pushed up. Now, the way that I use these zones is once something gets above my zone, I can go long if I feel that it's a bullish trend into the next zone, and I trail it by seeing if the 5-minute candle closes below the low of the previous candle. So as long as these candles keep closing above the low of the previous candle, and I don't see a change in the structure or the flow, I stay in long. Once we get into my next zone, that's where I start looking to take profits, and I either exit depending on the strength of these candles. The longer the candle, the better I feel about it. When these candles start to get a little bit smaller, or you get a different structure here, a different candle, that's when I'll look to get out. But you can take profits anywhere in this gray area, or if candle closes below the low of the previous candle. So what we're watching for tomorrow is after about lunchtime, STZ got into this channel, which is this 212 area to about, it's like 212.87, so basically about 213-ish, not quite 213. And it stayed in this area for the rest of the day. Tomorrow, what I want to look for is a break above this channel and a push up into this zone. I'll take her long with a break back into the channel is probably a stop for me. And from the bottom, if it breaks out this way or it cracks this way and heads down, I'll follow her down and exit at either this level here, this pivot, and ride her down into the next zone to take profits here. So hopefully if it goes up to the upside, it'll break the high of day from yesterday and head to our next zone. Let's see, get up there, the 219 area. That'll be awesome. So that is one of the plays I'll be looking for tomorrow. I'll set my alerts and we'll see what STZ does.